Hey guys, it's Josh Green. I'm back. It's been a while. I just had a baby, so I had a little bit of leave. Took some time off to be with him, and during that time came up with some great ideas. One of our new thing is for first-time home buyers, we're giving away a toolbox with tools in it because every first-time home buyer needs to fix something when they move in. So what we've included in this bag is a hammer. Everybody can use a hammer for that nail. A wrench, a double screwdriver with a Phillips and a flathead. We also have a tape measurer. Of course, it says Eastern Title on it. A couple pens are thrown in there if you need to write any notes down while you're doing work. And a flashlight for those dark areas in the basement or the attic that you might need to get to. And of course, the Eastern Title logo. Here's the Eastern Title bag. When you go to settlement, it'll be there for your first-time home buyers. Thanks for using Eastern Title and Settlement.